Hey there, it's Jen Schow, and I'm so excited to announce the launch of the 5th volume of my popular class series, Ready, Sketch, Go. This class includes 15 sketches, 30 process videos with over 7 hours of video instruction, and 35 or more layout examples. I'm happy to welcome 5 diverse class contributors who have each created 3 layouts and process videos for the class, in addition to the layout I've created for each sketch. You'll also receive a black and white printable PDF with all of the sketches and room to add your own, a full color printable PDF with all of the class sketches, layout examples, and tips and tricks, which is perfect for taking to crops. We'll also have an exclusive Facebook group where we can inspire and encourage each other, and I always love seeing all the different ways people interpret the sketches. I'll be hosting a live Facebook event where I'll do a Q&A as well as create an additional layout using one of the sketches as determined by popular vote. I'm also thrilled to announce that there is a physical optional mini kit available for purchase, which includes 2 white acrylic titles, an assortment of small white acrylic hearts, a 6x6 stencil, and a 3x4 photopolymer stamp set. There are limited quantities of the kit, so be sure to grab it right away if you're interested. You in no way need the kit to complete the class or to get the most out of the class. It's just a fun additional thing that you can purchase if you'd like. I will be selling the stamp set individually as well. Head over to classes.craftygenschow.com to purchase the class and find out more information. I hope to see many of you in the classroom.